It was cold and rainy, so my husband had been wanting a broccoli and cheese soup, so that's what we had for supper. You want to start off with about 6 tablespoons of butter, melt it down, and then add you 1 yellow onion. You're going to cook your onion down for about 4 or 5 minutes until it gets soft. And then after it's kind of soft, then you're going to go ahead and add you in 1 clove of chopped up garlic. You're going to cook your garlic down for just about a minute or so. And then after that, you're going to need to make you a roux. You're going to add 1/4 cup and then about 3 tablespoons of flour. Mix it up good, and that's going to make your roux. And you only have to cook your roux down for maybe about a minute or so, not very long. Then after you get your roux cooked, you're going to add about 3 1/4 cups of low-fat milk. If you want your soup to be a little bit thinner, then you can add a little bit more milk. After you add your milk, you're supposed to add a 14.5-ounce can of low-sodium chicken broth. I added it to the soup, but when I was editing my video, I accidentally cut it out, and by the time I realized, it was too late to get the clip back. So once you add your liquids, you're going to let it kind of thicken up, and then you're going to go ahead and add you 3 cups of broccoli. I didn't really measure it. I just cut up 2 heads of broccoli, and that's what I used, just the florets, so not the stem part. Then after your broccoli is soft, cooking it about 6 to 8 minutes, you're going to add your 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. And then I always move mine off of the fire so it can start to cool. And then I add 1/3 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese and about 2.5 cups of sharp cheddar cheese, or you can use extra sharp cheddar cheese. You just mix it up real good until your cheese is melted, and then it's ready to serve after that. You can add some salt to it, but always taste test it first because the cheese can make it salty. So then if you add salt, it's going to be too salty. And then add you some pepper, and we always serve it with a little bit of extra cheese on top.